Take a few moments to think about the last time someone gave you a genuine compliment. Not just a casual compliment, but a genuine piece of specific, thoughtful praise. How did it make you feel? Research shows getting a sincere compliment gives us the same positive boost as receiving money. It feels great when someone tells you, "You're looking great today," or "Your smile is contagious." When you compliment someone, you also benefit from that. It improves your health and increases your own happiness. The more you compliment, the better you feel. Taking time to pay others sincere compliments is a great way to be a nicer person. If you find it difficult to compliment others, look out for qualities or accomplishments that deserve to be recognized. You should be proud of yourself. You are making a difference. You are a great example to others. When you go out of your way to say something nice to another person, it amplifies your self-confidence and nourishes your self-esteem. The act of giving compliments creates a virtuous cycle, strengthens relationships, and makes others want to be around you. Make someone's day today by sharing a genuine compliment with somebody